Alright guys, this is a quick video to show you how to properly download short link codes from YouTube channels or other social media platforms. Alright, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to type in my channel, of course. Shameless plug. Alright, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, that notification bell, so you can get all my uploaded videos. Let's get right into it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is going to take this video. I've got the links already preloaded. Make sure I pause this video. Alright, so right here is essentially a short link code. Of course, mine's a little bit bigger, but what it is a way for you to download these programs and install them on your computer. But when you see a channel holder or somebody on a website that uses these short link codes like this, that's a way for them to make extra revenue for their channel. It helps us out. You'll get this page right here. Just give it time, let it load. This right here says please wait. That's what you have to do, is please wait. Don't click here, it'll pop up. Then you wait for 5 seconds. Once that timer goes down, hit skip ad. Now you should come directly to the page to download. You can either download it from here or from here. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Just click it. Your download will start right down here. Now what I like to do is, after it finishes downloading, is minimize this window, grab it here. As you can see, I've already got it right there, and just drag and drop it to my desktop. And then from there, if you're still not sure if it's a safe file to download, if you've got a virus protector on your computer, you'll right click here, and then you just run a scan just to make sure. I always try to do that just to make sure that everything is good before I install it on my computer. Alright, so as you can see, it says no viruses found on your PC. One item scanned. I'm good to go. Close it out. And then there's another way that you can open up these links if you can't just click on it. What you'll want to do is go back there. Let's say you want to get the emoji pack like we just downloaded. You'll right click it and then open link in incognito window. That's another way you can do it. So sometimes if you click on the link, it'll show up like on mine. Sometimes it says that McAfee doesn't trust this web page or whatever. Just hit open link in incognito window, and basically it's going to take you back to that same page after you hit leave go to site. It'll get you right back here, get you to the same place, and you just wait till the timer goes down and then download your program. That's pretty much it, guys. If this video helped you out, share it with everybody you know, and subscribe to my channel.